Welcome to this Jester's World. This is part 3 of the game. We're continuing on the story of Judgment. And after hopefully we get all that done, we've got enough stars, we can go ahead and play the Aftermath. So, without any more talking or anything like that, let's go ahead and jump and dive straight into some story. And so far it's actually been interesting. So, I'm really curious what else we've got coming. Let's go.
Luma sent us. Where should we go?
I'm Onyx.
No, you're not. You're dead. Stay here and defend this area. The East Wing is going to
Huh. Wow, they just push her around. Like, all three of those guys are just looking at them like, oh, we're gonna just whoop that ass. We're gonna whoop you. You don't talk to our partner about that. Okay, 1 century got what is that?
All right, Kilo.
That's gotta be gaster. Okay, I don't know. It's an archer. Okay, I know. Wait, am I picking up one of those? Survive the attack. Press that
Here's a souvenir.
to begin the wave. I'm not beginning that wave yet. Why would I begin the wave? Alright, rather this shotgun than that. And I'd much rather like a Lancer. Oh, no, give me that Lancer back. Give me that Lancer back. Alright. Let's grab some ammo. Let's go ahead and begin the wave. Alright. I can't get up. Flipping. Oh my god. Being shot at all angles here. Oh no. All I was trying to do is reload me weapon. Come down here. I saw you. There you are. There you are. Hey. Okay. They are not getting through that. Is there a way that I... Oh, grab some frags. Man, get out of my territory. You haven't got... Oh my god, no, 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 no. I really need to be able to look over on the other side. Don't know what's coming. Wow. Wow, that was kind of fun. Is that it? That was all? That's pretty daggone sweet.
Everybody.
Enemy wave arrives in like 30 seconds. Okay, yeah, so. I don't really need anything else. These weapons are good enough for me. But I was like so... In the multiplayer or survival hardcore, you can like get a... when you're playing as this guy I'm playing as right now, you can actually pick and do something with that, like repick. I wish that they would allow me to do that on this. That would be like so awesome. Alright, where are they coming from? I saw them. Okay. It's the fire! Dead, 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 dead. Where are you going? There's a running away. Get away from me. Get out of our area. Oh man. Another one? No. Get him. Get him. Crap. Got your back over here. Get Dane. Get Dean. Oh, what the? Crap. 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 Now's not the time. Point your ass. Let's go. Get Dane. The both of you. You really set off a bomb? I'm surprised you were able to do that. We cut them in pieces. Yeah, they've got a much better mechanic in this one, I will say, for the ammo drop than in the other ones. There's you normally just went from one section to another, and it was from 5-on-1 ammo you had until you got. But they did always have like a massive amount of ammo supply drop, so it was good. Alright, I don't want a shield, but I do want to be in the right area. Alright, let's see. I only believe I got 1 star on this one. Sorry, I will do my best for y'all to get better stars. How many times did I get down on this one? I didn't get... Wait, no, that's not right. Didn't it? So wait, if I didn't get down, how did I not get... I don't know. Maybe I was supposed to do some more epic crap with stuff to get better stuff, so let's keep on going.
Blackforce said they were losing the East Wing. He didn't mention they lost everything on the way there.
Okay, Kill Squad observes Locust equipment with new COG, MK2 Lancer, assault rifle, Lancer wielding Cyclops drones in the area? Let's accept.
We saw a new grub today, Colonel. Obviously, shock troops of some kind, with a strange helmet. They were tough. Very tough.
No, I'm gonna stay with the originals. He shot a full load in you before he died. Oh! Oh! What did he just say? Trust me, my son's actually not with me on this. Ooh, ooh. That was close. Hill, hill, hill. I gotta get past that. Get away. Gotta be away. If I get you up without getting that down, oh man. Oh man, he got me with the little shockwave of it. Wow! I was rolling and he got me. Bye bye. I don't know if that was the enemies that was shooting that at me and he just got caught up in his own. Oh man, I am not gonna get used to that freaking. Hey, we actually did it, and I barely got 2 stars on that. That makes me suck.
Not over yet, Kilo.
Really? It's not over yet. It's not just a little over. Why'd you jump over that hole? Man, they're like everywhere. I can't get anywhere. I'm getting down like so much right here. Where you going? Where you going? Where you going? Where you going? What you got? You were gonna try, girlfriend. Come on. Let it go down. Break train, break train, break train. Was there other call tags somewhere? Let's pick up those. I'm sure I saw some more call tags.
We
So
were
where did I
almost
find
reached
this other
it.
call tag?
I wanted to believe we'd be there in time to save Black Fall. I wanted very much to believe that.
So did I. I don't know. Let's keep on going. Might actually try to see if we can't complete another mission. Unlock min character. Oh! Oh! 2 stars. You gotta remember, we have gotta complete as many stars as possible so we can get to the aftermath, so we'll be able to do that and play that. So I'm gonna probably go ahead and continue. We'll go for another one. Hopefully we can get to the end of that mission, and we'll do it from there. Yeah, have some fun. Let's keep on going. Yeah, we're badasses. You know it. We're badasses. The Museum of Military Glory, Section 6, East Wing. Declassified. Lieutenant Beard claimed Kilo Squad defended Embry armor with no additional Onyx support. Stop Locust from destroying Nassau. Alright. Heck yeah, I'll take this.
If it's shiny and looks important, the grubs will want to blow it up. Maybe we should build more Nasser Embry armor exhibits. They make great decoys.
Yeah. I'm not going to just jump into this. I am going, like, what am I looking at? I'm looking decent, but I don't know. I'm probably going to be having to grab, like, massive weapons to this. I am going to try to stick with what I've got because I think it would be more, like, epic to see if I can just go as long as I can. So, now, let's begin. Oh my god! You came out of nowhere and blew up on me. Freaking bombs are gonna end up getting me. forgot to hit the load button. Oh, okay, so it didn't take long. Ow. 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 Get out of it. Get out of it. Come on, dear. Sit down, shut up, and stop yelling.